Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. Like many cities across Southeast Asia, Hanoi is crowded with millions of cars and motorcycles. But since 2 years ago, a newly opened metro line has provided another way of travel for the public in Hanoi. So let's check it out today. This is the first metro line of Hanoi, linking the city center all the way to the suburb. It takes only around 23 minutes to complete the trip, where in rush hour it would take up to an hour or more to take a car. Even motorbikes, the preferred way of Vietnamese, it will take more than half an hour and have problem with the traffic as well as the weather. So in the past 2 years, the new metro line has taken more than 90 million passengers, greatly convenient the travel of the citizens of Hanoi. It's rush hour now in Hanoi, so we could see the carriage is pretty full right now. But the experience of taking the train is quite pleasant, and the view outside of the downtown Hanoi is quite nice as well. The metro line was built by a Chinese company, the China Railway 6 Group. It uses Chinese standard, Chinese technology, and Chinese equipment. During the whole process, the Chinese side has not only completed the project in a high-quality manner, it has also transferred the technology, the experience, the know-how to the Vietnamese side on how to run a metro.
Đấy là đi trên đây thì thứ nhất là cảm thấy là rất là êm và rất là nhanh. Mình cảm nhận là rất thú vị và đi nó êm, nó hợp, giao thông thuận tiện, nhanh và rất là đúng giờ. Hai là đi giảm thiểu cái khói bụi của môi trường, rất là sạch sẽ.
It's a very pleasant trip, and we could also have the first-hand experience of how the mutual beneficial cooperation between China and Vietnam has benefited the daily life of the people here in Hanoi. Let's look forward to more such cooperation between the two countries for the mutual benefit of the two peoples.